Mastering the art of document gathering for taxes. Gathering tax documents can be a daunting task, but with strategic planning, it can be simplified. This video will guide you through the process of efficiently collecting all your tax-related documents. Imagine the feeling of having all your tax documents in order. Being organized can remove a lot of stress during tax season. First, let's talk about the W-2 form. This is a vital document provided by your employer. It records your annual earnings and the amount of taxes withheld from your paycheck. In addition to the W-2 form, you might receive Forms 1099. These forms report different types of income you may receive throughout the year, excluding salaries, wages, and tips. Types of 1099 forms vary. Banks issue 1,099 ENTs to record interest income, while independent contractors may receive a 1,099 MASC. The 1099K form is another important document. It reports payment card and third-party network transactions. If you run an online business, this form is critical. If you've purchased health insurance through the government marketplace, you should receive a Form 1095A. This document is crucial for taxpayers who have received subsidized health coverage. The IRS often sends out letters regarding your taxes. These letters could include important information about changes to your account, overpayments, or actionable items. Sometimes, you might receive a CP01A notice. This is a document sent by the IRS to taxpayers who have been issued an identity protection PIN. It's a good idea to keep a record of all IRS correspondence. These letters sometimes include vital information about your taxes that might not be found elsewhere. Establishing a system to collect and store these documents is crucial. A digital, cloud-based storage solution can be an efficient way to do this. Store your tax documents in a secure location. Whether it's a locked file cabinet or an encrypted digital folder, security is a priority. Remember to keep copies of your tax returns. These can be helpful if discrepancies arise in the future or if you need to apply for a loan. Efficient document gathering also involves knowing what you don't need. For example, you may not need to keep documents from over 7 years ago. Consider hiring a tax professional. They can provide valuable guidance and ensure you're collecting all necessary documents. They can also help you understand complex tax documents or handle difficult situations, such as tax audits. Tax preparation software is another tool that can simplify the document gathering process. They can often import tax documents directly from the issuer. Remember, not all documents come in physical form. Some statements, like bank interest, might only be accessible online. Don't overlook potential deductions. Keep receipts for business expenses, charitable donations, and medical expenses. In conclusion, gathering tax documents doesn't have to be a nightmare. With a clear system and a bit of dedication, you can make tax season a breeze. Be proactive. Start gathering your documents as soon as they arrive. The sooner you start, the less stressful tax season will be. Remember, staying organized is key. Keep your documents in one place and categorize them for easy access. Your tax documents are important. Treat them with care and give them the attention they deserve. Don't wait until the last minute. Procrastination only adds to the stress and can lead to mistakes. Consistency is key. Make document gathering a routine, and it will become second nature in no time. Remember, everyone's tax situation is different. You may need additional documents not mentioned in this video. Keep track of changes in tax laws. They might affect what documents you need to gather. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Whether from a tax professional or a trusted friend, guidance can be invaluable. Keep an open mind. There are always new strategies and tools emerging to make document gathering easier. Stay patient. Organizing your tax documents might be time-consuming, but it's worth it in the end. Finally, don't forget to breathe. Tax season can be stressful, but with the right preparation, it doesn't have to be. Remember, the goal is not just to survive tax season, but to master it. With these tips, you're well on your way. Stay tuned for more videos on how to simplify your financial life. We're here to help you become a master of your finances. To wrap up, remember the importance of staying organized, being proactive, and seeking help when necessary. You've got this. Happy document gathering,